discuss very important topic that is exploring the future of augmented reality AR. Shall we start?
Absolutely. That sounds exciting. Augmented reality is such a fascinating field with a lot of potential. Are there any specific aspects of AR that you're particularly interested in, like its use in education, entertainment, or something else?
Yes, we will talk about that in a later part of our interview. First, I want to discuss what exactly is augmented reality and how does it differ from virtual reality.
Absolutely. That's a great starting point. So, augmented reality or AR basically overlays digital information like images, sounds, or data onto the real world, usually through a smartphone or AR glasses. Virtual reality or VR, on the other hand, immerses you completely in a computer generative environment, shutting out the physical world. So, the key difference is that AR enhances your real world while VR creates a completely new one.
Very well. How has AR technology evolved over the past decade?
Yeah, it's been really impressive to watch. Over the past decade, AR has evolved from basic mobile applications like early filters and simple overlays into more sophisticated and interactive experiences. We've seen advancements in computer vision, better tracking and mapping of environments, and even more powerful AR hardware like AR glasses. Plus, the integration with AI has made AR more intuitive and responsive. It's definitely come a long way.
Which industries are currently benefiting from most from AR?
Yeah, there are quite a few industries that are really taking advantage of AR right now. For instance, retail uses AR for virtual try-ons, helping customers see how products will look before buying. In healthcare, AR is used for surgical visualization and training. The education sector benefits a lot as well with interactive learning experiences. Even real estate and architecture are using AR for virtual tours and design previews. It's definitely widespread.
Okay, can you in detail explain me the difference between mark-based and markless AR?
Absolutely. So when we talk about AR that's marker based, it means that the AR content is triggered by a specific physical marker or image. For example, you might scan a QR code or a particular image, and that triggers the AR experience. On the other hand, markerless AR doesn't rely on any specific markers. Instead, it uses things like spatial mapping and computer vision to understand the environment and place digital objects in it. So it's more flexible and doesn't need a predefined image. Both have their own advantages depending on the use case.
What are some common misconceptions about AR?
Yeah, definitely. One common misconception is that AR is only for gaming or entertainment, but it's actually super useful in fields like healthcare, education, and industry as well. Another misconception is that AR requires bulky, specialized hardware, but nowadays we can use AR on pretty much any smartphone or tablet. And finally, some people think AR is the same as VR, but as we talked about, they're quite different in how they interact with the real world.
Okay, I got your point. Now my next question is, how are AI and AR working together to enhance user experiences?
Absolutely. The combination of AI and AR is really powerful. AI helps AR by improving things like object recognition, environment mapping, and user interaction. For example, AI algorithms can quickly identify and track objects in real time, making the AR experience smoother and more responsive. AI can also personalize AR content based on user behavior and preferences, and it can even help with natural language processing. So users can interact with AR in more intuitive ways. It's really this synergy that makes AR experiences much richer and more intelligent.
Very well. What role do smartphones and wearable devices play in AR adoption?
Yeah, definitely. Right now, a lot of smartphones from major brands like Apple and Samsung have built-in AR capabilities. For instance, Apple has AR Kit, and Android devices use AR Core, both of which provide powerful frameworks for developers. Plus, there are dedicated AR devices like the Microsoft HoloLens or the Magic Leap, which are designed specifically for immersive AR experiences. And even some newer tablets are also embracing AR in a big way. So it's definitely becoming more accessible across the board.
Okay, what role do smartphones or wearable devices play in AR adoption? That was our previous question. Now, my next question is: are there breakthrough in AR software that could redefine the field?
Absolutely. On the hardware side, companies like Apple are working on their AR glasses, rumored to be released soon, and Meta is also heavily investing in AR hardware. On the software side, AR development platforms like ARKit and AR Core continue to evolve, making it easier for developers to create sophisticated AR experiences. We're also seeing advancements in 5G connectivity, which will help with faster and more reliable AR streaming. And in terms of software, we're seeing a lot of innovation in machine learning models that enhance the AR experiences, making them more immersive and context aware. It's definitely an exciting time for AR development.
How is AR transforming education and training?
Oh, it's really transformative. In education, AR can bring textbooks to life by overlaying 3D models, interactive diagrams, and immersive simulations, which makes complex concepts a lot easier to understand. It also enables virtual field trips, letting students explore historical sites or even distant planets from the classroom. In training, AR is super valuable for hands-on learning, like medical students practicing surgeries or engineers assembling complex machinery. It really provides a safe and efficient environment to learn and practice. Overall, AR is making education and training a lot more engaging and effective.
Okay,
Awesome. If you have any more questions or if there's any other aspect of AR you want to dive into, just let me know.
what are what are some innovative ways AR is being used in healthcare?
Oh, there are some really cool applications. For example, AR is used in surgery to provide surgeons with enhanced visualizations, like overlaying critical anatomical structures during operations. It's also being used for medical training, helping students and professionals practice procedures in a risk-free environment. Another innovative use is in remote consultations, where doctors can use AR to guide patients or other healthcare providers through procedures step by step. And there are also AR tools for patient education, making it easier for patients to understand their conditions and treatments. It's definitely making healthcare more efficient and accessible.
Okay, could widespread AR adoption raise privacy concerns?
Absolutely. One big challenge is the cost of AR hardware, which can be quite high, especially for specialized devices like AR glasses. Another hurdle is the need for robust infrastructure like 5G connectivity to support seamless AR experiences. There's also the challenge of developing quality content that's engaging and useful, which requires time and expertise. And on top of that, user adoption can be slow due to unfamiliarity or even privacy concerns. But as technology advances, a lot of these barriers are slowly being overcome.
Okay, what is your vision for AR world of the future?
Oh, that's such a fun question. I imagine a future where AR is seamlessly integrated into our daily lives. For instance, we might have AR glasses that provide contextual information wherever we look, like real-time translations, navigation overlays, or even just enhanced social interactions. I also see AR playing a huge role in education, making learning super interactive and personalized. And in healthcare, I think AR will help with more precise diagnostics and remote care. Overall, I think the future of AR is about creating more connected, intuitive, and immersive experiences that just make life a bit more magical and efficient.
Few lines to summarize our whole interview.
Of course, in a nutshell, AR is transforming how we interact with the world by blending digital information with our physical environment. And as it continues to evolve, it's going to revolutionize fields like education, healthcare, and entertainment. It's an exciting journey towards a more immersive and connected future.
Thanks for your help. Bye bye.
You're very welcome. It was great chatting with you. Take care and bye for now.